Yeah, now we logged into cloud hosted SaaS. Actually, SaaS means is a cloud side, they are hosted, so they are give the dedicated space for us, so where we deployed our change, we can indexing and we can do the changes. Is a serverless architecture, so they have given a dedicated space for us, so we can create an account and I'm going to indexing that, right? So to Elasticsearch, normally we cannot directly, we are fetching the data from Elasticsearch, right? So we need to index the data. Data is already hosted in MongoDB. From MongoDB to here, we need to host it. We need to, indexing that. So indexing that, we have to, what we need to do is, we have to go to Elasticsearch here, go here, and then Elasticsearch, click Elasticsearch. We need to index that. So that using the MongoDB connector, they are already given the MongoDB connector. If you see indices, come to indices, it will go to indices. Now see add content search, it will put indices. So now click connectors. If you go to connectors, we need to select MongoDB connectors because we need to pull the data from MongoDB. It will index from MongoDB, so that search the data from here. Instead of connecting MongoDB, it will connect from Elasticsearch, so it will be faster and and just searching where it's available. MongoDB, yeah, here itself, MongoDB native, and then name of the indexing, let's say product data, create index. I'm giving the index. Okay, so now it's going to index page where we need to connect the data details, like which server we need to MongoDB we need to connect. This data we need to give connection URL, right, to connect that. So for that, what I'm going to product microservice, I'm fetching the MongoDB source URL, source DB URL. So this URL, MongoDB URL, I'm giving host name and username, password you can make it blank, so that's not required. Since the URL itself, it is taken care of everything. So it's a source product, right, MongoDB source, and database name, and collection name if you want you can give. Collection name is product, table name, and here we cannot directly connect it. So let's say I'm saving it, I'm now updated, data is updated, and what it is doing is I'm going to indexing. So sync, click sync, full sync. Now we are waiting for that sync is happening or not. We will see. It will not happen because we need to enable SSL, because only TLS source, when you connecting from source to source, we need to use, normally when you are connected to source URL, we need to use HTTPS URL, otherwise it will not be connected. That's the reason they are giving the option like SSL or TLS connection. See, still it's going on. Finally it will end up with it is not connected. So now I'll stop that, I'll cancel it. So what I'll do is now cancelled. I'm going to enable SSL. It will ask SSL certificate, right? So you can save the config, enable SSL, save the configuration. Now it is configured. We need to install certificates. So MongoDB certificate we need to enable. We need to create. So I'm going to profile, going to deployment, where the code, where the changes are deployed, right? I'm going to cloud. So now it will go to deployment. Here is an instance where we deployed our changes. Elasticsearch is deployed here. I'm going to click manage. So we need to create a certificates. Actually, it's in Java key store. We need to generate a certificate. MongoDB website, they are given how to connect MongoDB Atlas SaaS. They'll give the URL steps. We need to follow that and create the certificates. That certificate we are using in our application microservice, as well as we can use here also. So whenever we are connecting to MongoDB from application or from SaaS, from Elasticsearch, we need to use the certificate. They have already given the certificates, right? Go to security and then click add trust environment. Go to self-managed. Click next and select the self-signed certificate. Now click next. Go here. We have to select the certificates. Certificates are already there. So where you can go, I have already stored the certificates. Certificate is here actually. Here. Demo projects. Certs. MongoDB test CA. This certificates I already generated using Java key store, and then so that same certificate you can use it. Not Java key store, is they have given some steps actually to generate the certificates. Once you selected that, click trust to common elastic web. I name of the environment, click like dev, and then after saving the certificate we will come back to indexes. Let's say indexes we are going, so note now index is connected. See, come to indexer, I'm going to re-index so that you'll understand. So now connectors, search, go configuration, and now if you see TLS true, everything is there, only certificate upload. After that click sync and full sync, it will sync that, and then it will take some time, but it's already indexed actually. I clicked actually. So now go to indices, record data are indexed, search product, click there, see documents are indexed, see these are the documents are indexed. If we expand that, see these are the data, product data are indexed here in Elasticsearch. So this way all the data are indexed, index mappings, JSON structure it will show, right? So now this is successfully we have indexed. Okay, so now if you want a configuration, if you want again re-index, go to configuration, again sync, and again full sync, full content, it will again index the data whenever any changes are done in the code base, right? So now we have index is done, right? So we have to copy the endpoint URLs, right? Otherwise it will not work. So we have to copy this endpoint URL. So this is the URL. So we have to give this URL in a code elastic configuration. So I'm just going to copy this URL. Only host name, port not required. Remove the port number because port number is we already given HTTPS, and here also HTTPS is not required. Only host name you can give, right? After that we have to give Elasticsearch user ID, password. Elasticsearch by default user ID is Elasticsearch, password you need to give. So how we can give? We can again go to profile, and profile, then cloud, go here, my deployment, once again, manage. Here if we come here we can see the user ID. Security, yeah. See, if you come security, click security, Elasticsearch is the user, we can reset password. You can give any password. Password they already given. See, they generated password. Copy this password. Okay, and then continue without downloading. Go there, the code base, and copy this password here, so that it will connect. Now go there. Now go to search microservice. Stop that and restart it. Go to search microservice and start that. Now search microservice is started. You can see the screen. Search microservice is started. Right? Yeah. Server is up now. Search is working. Search microservice up. So these are the major code changes just for configuration. Other than that, you can use Elastic API that you can go to, like for example, I can say Elasticsearch. These are the product name, like query. These are you can search in Google and you can get this, how to fetch the data, navigation query. See, these are the APIs I used. This is a search related based on the product name, description, size, colors, category. You can search it. This is a add query, and then range query. I have written range query, and then you can come and sort query. This is based on the sort actually based on the colors you can sort it. So these are the three queries builders I have written it. I build the query. These are the code changes I have done, and then I'm going to now UI. I'm going to UI. I'm going to click let's say HTTP localhost 8080 is the product microservice. I think it's consumer microservice port number. Now it's loading, the page is loading. So I think cart items also will get loaded. No cart item, nothing, no item is not in the cart. So now if you go to see the home categories, these are the images are coming from AWS S3 bucket. These categories we have created: future products and recent products. These products are coming from MongoDB, but images you are coming from S3 bucket, right? I previous demo I think I covered. I'm going to now listing page. So everywhere search is integrated. Let's say I'm going to search ladies. So if I search, so I'm searching now men. Let's say men I am searching. So men product, only one product is coming. See, like that, if you say orange, it will come one product, I guess, orange products. Like that is coming. So now I'm going to range product. Let's say $100 to $150 products, or $150 to $200. How many products? See, only these products which are how much? $150. If we say 100 to 150, then it will come. These are 100, between 100 to, from starting price 100 to $150 it is coming, right? So if I go like color based, I want to filter based on the orange color, so you can click orange. It's not orange color, but the image is data. Actually, you can change the data. So yellow means nothing is there. Red color, yeah, these are the red color items is displaying. So this is what we have implemented Elasticsearch. Okay, so and this let's say I'm going to add the product, just that we can select the item and then a small red and add to cart, and it will add the item to the cart. If you want to add, let's say home TV products, you can LED, you can, let's say LED TV product, you can search TV. Sorry, I think I have to go to listing page and type in TV. Listing page we have integrated. TVs are coming, right? So select the TV, let's say Samsung TV. So here you can directly add to the cart. No need to select anything, so it will be added, right? So if you want to move wish list, so it will be there. So this is what we have a demo. So these are code changes. These are the limited code changes we have done, and I just showed these are the main configuration changes. Elasticsearch, these are the configuration changes we have done. Right, this major elastic configuration, and then dependencies. These are the core dependencies. Dependency is only complexity, because while integrating it will ask multiple challenges. So because the right version we need to integrate, because we are connecting the Elastic Springboot latest version 3.2, and 8.12 is the Elasticsearch version, which we have. That is also latest version they are given. If we see the version matching, we can find that. Okay. That's all about our demo. So thank you for listening, and we are looking forward to join our Cloud4 Academy, and please follow our Cloud4 Academy page in LinkedIn. Thank you guys.